In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time" error in Rockstar Game Launcher on Windows 10 and 11. First, let's start with Launcher Fix. Just go to your Windows search bar and search for Rockstar Game Launcher. From the options, just choose to open the file location, and this will take you to the actual installation folder. Here, you will look for a file named as Rockstar Game Launcher. Just right click on it and click on Show More Options and click on Open File Location. And from here, you will find an application labeled as Launcher Patcher. Once you find it, just right click on it, click on Show More Options and click on Properties. And from here, just go to the Compatibility tab and now check these two options. Just check Disable Full Screen Optimization and also check Run this program as an administrator and click on Apply and click on OK. Now let's move on to second fix, which is related to antivirus settings. Go back to your Windows search bar and search for Virus and Threat Protection and just open it. From here, under Virus and Threat Protection setting, just click on Manage Settings and scroll all the way down and you will see an option labeled as Exclusions. Just click on Add or Remove Exclusions and click on Add in Exclusions. Then select Folder and then navigate to your installation directory, which will normally be in the C drive, Program Files, and just search your Rockstar from here. Just click on it and click on Select Folder. If you installed it somewhere else, just locate your Rockstar game folder and select that folder and add it as an exclusion. This step prevents your antivirus from blocking important launcher files. Now, let's move on to final fix, which is System Date and Time. Just go to your Windows search bar and just type Date and Time. And just open the Date and Time settings. And here, make sure Set Time Zone automatically is toggled on and also Set Time automatically is also turned on. After that, just click on Sync Now to refresh your system time. Restart your computer and try opening the Rockstar Game Launcher once again.